Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Nerf bars for trucks, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from. Nerf bars for trucks, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Nerf bars for trucks from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. OEDRO 6-inch running boards, compatible with paintable step plates, black Nerf bar. Upgrade your truck's style and functionality with the OEDRO 6-inch running boards, designed for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra crew cab models. These heavy-duty black Nerf bars feature a unique drop-down step design, making it easier to enter and exit lifted trucks. Crafted from high-strength carbon steel with a textured powder-coated finish, they offer superior durability and 550 CFA weight capacity. What sets them apart? The customizable, paintable step plates let you personalize your ride's look. These Nerf bars also provide added side protection against road debris and door dings. With a bolt-on installation using your truck's factory holes, there's no need for drilling, just a quick and easy setup. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or just want to enhance your truck's aesthetic, OTHOWE running boards deliver both function and flair. Perfect for off-roaders, daily drivers, and truck enthusiasts alike. Get the style, strength, and convenience your truck deserves with OEDRO. Number 2. OTHOWE running boards. Compatible with 3.5-inch Chevy side steps and carbon steel Nerf bars. Upgrade your truck's style and accessibility with the OTHOWE 3.5-inch running boards, specifically designed for 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado or Sierra 1500 crew cab, and 2020 to 2024 and 2500 HD or 3500 HD crew cab models. These carbon steel Nerf bars feature a durable dual-stage textured black powder coating, providing exceptional rust resistance and a rugged look. Each side step supports up to 450 pounds, with non-slip 3.5-inch plastic pedal pads that offer safe entry and exit, especially helpful for kids and seniors. The curved oval design improves compatibility with your truck's body while also acting as a shield to reduce impact damage during bumps or scrapes. Installation is a breeze with the direct bolt-on system, no welding or drilling required. Each package includes both left and right side running boards, brackets, hardware, and detailed instructions for a hassle-free setup. Whether you're enhancing function or adding flair, OTHOWE running boards offer the perfect balance of durability, safety, and sleek truck styling. Number 3. Binary Star Running. Boards compatible with 3.5-inch drop-down side, carbon steel steps, Nerf bars. Enhance your truck's accessibility and rugged style with the Binary Star running boards, designed for 2015 to 2025 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon crew cab models with 4 full-size doors. These carbon steel Nerf bars feature a 3.5-inch drop-down side step for easier cabin entry, perfect for families or anyone needing extra step support. With non-slip plastic step pads and a unique rust-assisting black powder-coated finish, they ensure safety and long-lasting durability in all seasons. Built to handle up to 450 LPAs, each step bar is reinforced with a special weld process for added strength. The set includes 8 brackets, 4 per side, making the structure more stable than standard 3-bracket designs. Installation is quick and easy with no special tools required, and all mounting hardware is included. Whether you're upgrading your truck's function or form, the Binary Star running boards offer solid performance, safety, and a bold appearance to match your off-road or daily driving needs. Number 4. YITAMOTOR 6 inches. Running boards compatible with black sidestep Nerf bars sidebar. Upgrade your truck with YITAMOTOR 6-inch running boards, the perfect blend of strength, style, and functionality for your Dodge Ram. Designed to fit 2009 to 2018 Ram and 1500 crew cab, including 2019 to 2024, and 1500 Classic, and 2010 to 2024 Ram, and 2500 or 3500 crew cab, 4 full-size doors, These matte black sidestep Nerf bars add both rugged appeal and practical access. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, they support up to 450 PF per side, while offering superior rust and corrosion resistance over heavier steel alternatives. The ABS plastic tread plates provide excellent grip, UV protection, and anti-slip performance, while the closed-M design shields against debris and dirt. With their 6-inch wide step pad, you'll enjoy safer, easier entry and exit, even in rough conditions. These running boards also act as protective armor for your truck's rocker panels. Plus, the adjustable sliding rails and easy bolt-on installation make setup quick, usually with no drilling needed. Stylish, strong, and reliable. The YITAMOTOR has your ride covered. Number 5. OTHOWE 88, running boards compatible with Chevy Silverado, Two-Stair side steps, Nerf bars. Upgrade your truck with the OTHOWE 88 running boards, designed for durability, safety, and style. Compatible with 2019 to 2025 Chevy, Silverado, or GMC Sierra 1500, and 2020 to 2025 and 2500 HD Crew Cab. These two-stair side steps offer easy entry and rooftop access. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel with a textured black powder-coated finish, these Nerf bars provide exceptional rust and corrosion resistance. The 6-inch wide step rails and triangular tube structure deliver superior strength and stability, supporting up to 550 HPs. Not just functional, these drop steps also add a rugged, aggressive look while protecting your vehicle from road debris, dings, and minor impacts. The bolt-on installation requires no drilling, and the package includes all necessary brackets and hardware for a hassle-free setup. Whether you're heading off-road or just cruising around town, the OTHOWE 88 side steps are a must-have upgrade to boost both your truck's functionality and appearance. Built tough, made to last, these are steps you can count on. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.